Hi, my name is Mohd Rashid Abu Bakar from Universiti Malaysia Pahang. I'm head of digital infrastructure in UMP. So UMP is a public technical university in Malaysia. So we are the number of 16 out of 20 universities in Malaysia in public education sector. So we have around 16,000 of students and almost 2,000 of staff based on population in UMP. Our foundation is based from 2003, which is we have a traditional three-tier design in our server. So as we are going to cloud transformation and digital transformation, so you want to improvise our infrastructure to make sure that we can minimize the downtime and also to give a good digital experience to our students and staff as well. So currently we are using Sangfor HCI as our new infrastructure for our server storage and security as well. The consolidation of the Sangfor HCI consists of what I said just now. So we design also with the disaster recovery. So we have an offsite security redundancy at our branch campus to make sure that the high availability for this infrastructure is well operated. Delivery is on time. It's very good. It's faster than we expected. After implementation, of course, there is some configuration that we need to improve to make sure that this digital experiences is smooth. But with support from the Sangfor, all of these issues is taken care very quickly and smooth. Sangfor support and service is one of the best. As a principal, Sangfor is giving us many helpful assistance in terms of technical and implementation processes, and they always try to fulfill our requirements. Yeah, definitely we will consider Sangfor Cloud as one of the provider if we are going towards public cloud as initiated by our government, which is we also looking forward to implement this in the future.